Ever wondered if you could find a top-notch RGB keyboard under $2,000? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Welcome to our exploration of the best RGB keyboards that won't burn a hole in your pocket. First up, we have the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. This mechanical keyboard brings the best of both worlds, performance and aesthetics. With its aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame, it offers durability that's built to last. The dynamic multicolor RGB backlighting offers near-limitless customization and control. A choice for those who desire a blend of style, durability, and performance without breaking the bank. Next on our list is the Razer Black Widow Chroma V2. This keyboard is a gaming powerhouse boasting Razer's own mechanical switches that are designed specifically for gaming. It doesn't skimp on the RGB either, with customizable color options. It's a perfect fit for those who are all about gaming and love to personalize their setup. The third contender is the SteelSeries Apex Pro. Known for its adjustable mechanical switches, this keyboard allows you to customize the sensitivity of each key according to your preference. It also dazzles with its dynamic per-key RGB illumination, adding a touch of elegance to your desk. If customization is your game, this might be the keyboard for you. Don't forget about the Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum. It's a robust and reliable choice that offers both performance and a vibrant RGB display. The keys are fast, responsive, and durable, promising an excellent typing experience. This keyboard is a must-consider if you're seeking a balance of quality and affordability. Lastly, we have the HyperX Alloy Elite RGB. This keyboard offers a solid steel frame and unique radiant light bar that adds dynamic lighting effects to the mix. With its advanced customization software, the HyperX Alloy Elite RGB lets you light up your game just the way you like it. To sum up, if you're in the market for an RGB keyboard that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, there are plenty of options to consider. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum combines durability and style. The Razer Black Widow Chroma V2 is a gamer's delight. The SteelSeries Apex Pro offers unparalleled customization. The Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum provides a solid, reliable choice. The HyperX Alloy Elite RGB adds a unique lighting twist to the mix. Remember, the best RGB keyboard for you depends on your personal preferences and needs. So weigh your options carefully and make the most of your budget. Happy shopping!